this is sold out, guys. My first time trying this lipstick, a little sticky. I scrub it really good on my lips, but if you guys are looking for something like it stay there, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Another exciting review I'm showing you guys today. This one I'm really excited because I worked really hard to get these items to show you guys. But anyway, check it out, my giveaway, and make sure you guys watch the whole video so that you guys can see what amazing giveaway I'm giving away for international. It is actually my 4th biggest giveaway on my channel, but for this year, this is my first huge international giveaway. So after that, just listen to me and I will show you guys what I have. I finally get this new lipstick. I'm gonna show you guys what it is. This is the new one that just came out. Look at that. I only have 5 color right now. It's because this is sold out, guys. Yeah, bad news, it's sold out. I order all the color. I actually pay extra just to get this one. Is because I really wanted to try it. I saw few of this on my Instagram, and then I was like, you know, I really wanted to try that one because I heard so many good things about this one. So now we are going to try it, or actually I'm going to try it, and so you guys can see. So you can actually buy this one if it's available in Ulta and also other drugstore, but I doubt it right now because this is actually like really sold out. So let's clean up this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try. This is the first color and it's a number 40. That's the color. So you guys can see like that. It's really nice, huh? Like very simple. But the one thing about this one, guys, it does really get dry faster. As you guys like, it's a little sticky right now because it's still wet, but it's like oily. It doesn't transfer a lot of color, and I think we're going to try it in the last lipstick of this one. I believe that if you keep it a long time, like probably a few minutes on your lips, it's just gonna be like stay there for pretty much the whole day. So it's like, you know, if you gonna wear it for like that in the morning, so you don't have to keep retouching it into your lips, and it gives you the full cover already. But let's try it for the next color. Okay, we're going to try color 15. This one is actually the peachy. It's a beautiful color, guys. So this is the 15 and it's the peachy. So that's the color of this. It's actually very creamy. It's oily enough, but not too much. And as you guys can see, I don't have to, you know, put this back in the container to get more color. So I just use it one, and it gives you the kind of like the full cover on your lips. So it's actually, you know, I like this color. It's different. It's in between the peach and a nude. Same thing, of course, it's like oily. The longer it stays on your lips, it's starting to be a little sticky, but it will dry it up. Now we're going to try this one, guys. It's the 45 color, and it's more like the dark pink one. So this is the 45. It is, as you guys can see there, it's like a really dark pink. I think if you have a lighter skin, this is will probably looks really good on you. It's a little too bright for me. So this is the really pink one, but probably I can get by with this one if I want to wear it for like in the, you know, evening or afternoon. It's a beautiful pink. Okay guys, the next color that we're trying is the 50, the Wicked 50. I picked this one because it's really red. That it's red one. Super red, right guys? I love it. I know how I said about the dark pink is like it's not really my color, but the difference between this one is that this is actually looks beautiful also in the brown skin. It's really nice. I'm going to clean this up and then we're going to try this one because this is gonna be my lipsticks today. Since I tried this dark color on my lips, it's gonna stain my lips for a lot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash my lips, scrub it, and then let's try this one. Okay, I'm back. I clean up. This is all I can do because I scrub it really good on my lips, but it still got like a little stain from the dark pink one and the red one, guys. Like I said, this is a really good lipstick if you guys are looking for something like it stay there, because there's a lot of lipsticks that's actually like a stain. It's gonna say, but it get really dry. Few of the lipstick that I have review it that actually keep your lips moist, you still have that color that you actually had it, and that's the one that you guys like it for the whole day. So we're going to try this one, and I put my hair up now is because I'm going out. This is gonna be my color on my lipstick today. So this one, I actually picked this one, guys, is because I really like the color. There's a few color in the set of this one that I actually really like, but they are like out of stock. Good thing this color is not. And this time we're going to wait for like 2 to 3 minutes, and you guys can see how this lipsticks, when it's dry on your lips, is actually stay on your lips. I couldn't do it on this 4 is because I have to try them really quick and then remove it, so that way I can try everything. Otherwise I would only be able to try one. So let's try this one. By the way, this is color 20. That's the color, guys, and let's wait for like 2 minutes and we'll see, guys. I'll be back. So guys, after this is actually longer than 2 minutes because I went downstairs. So that's the color, and it was just one application on my lips. It's set now on my lips. This is a one coated, guys. It's still very moist, but it doesn't give you a lot of a stain, and it's very natural looks. And I think if you added a little bit more, then that's why it get like a little bit like stain on your glass if you drink. But if you only need it like something very light, very natural feelings or a very natural look, so you just need one coated on your lips. But anyway, this is the color that I tried, and I hope you guys like it. And if you haven't tried this one, I recommended you guys to try it because they are really good. You probably would not regret it. It's not expensive. There's some of this one is like $8.99. There's some is like $11.99. It just depends where you're gonna buy it. You can order it in Ulta online, but not in the store. Just try to order one in Ulta. You probably be able to. You just have to wait for like 2 weeks to 3 weeks or something like that. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And also don't forget my giveaway ended on May 15, I believe, but I'm gonna have a video before it ended, like a week before it ends, so you guys can see the winner and what they're getting on the winner. So don't forget that. So I'll see you guys again for my next video. Bye.